Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning needs. We get a lot of calls and questions about what type of vacuums do we service, where are we located, what areas are we located in. So those of you who are in the Sterling, Virginia area, we do vacuum repairs, warranty work, service work. We do sales on all new vacuums, and we do all major brands. We're only a quick 15-minute, 10-minute drive up Route 7 from your Sterling Town Center. Very easy to find, convenient parking. We service everything from Miele, Dyson, Braccar, Simplicity, Hoover, Bissell, Shark, Electrolux, Orc, you name it, the list goes on. Pretty much if it's a vacuum, we can look at it, repair it, and get it fixed for you. So we offer same-day repairs. So for those of you who are looking to bring a vacuum in and need it back relatively quickly, just when you come in, let us know you're trying to get a same-day repair. We'll put a tag on it and then get that vacuum out to you right away. If you guys are interested in having any warranty work done, you just bring your vacuum in, bring your proof of purchase in, and then we will send everything off to the manufacturer and have them warranty out whatever parts that you guys need done, whether it's a motor, water pump, solenoids, any of that type of stuff. And then what we do is send you a text or call letting you know that the vacuum is ready. Our repair process is pretty simple. You bring the vacuum in, we're open 7 days a week. What we'll do is we'll put a tag on it, we'll look it over, kind of give you a generalized idea of what we think it is be, and then we'll send it back to the authorized service tech to have him take a look at it. And once we get the finalized quote to you guys and the estimate, we'll call you and text you with that. Once you approve, we'll get all the repairs done and have it back to you. Typically it takes a couple days, 1 to 2 days, depending on the availability of parts. We are doing both shampooers, cordless vacuums, robotic vacuums, uprights, canisters. We pretty much service everything. So if you're in need of a vacuum repair, if you just want to have your vacuum cleaned and serviced on all new filters, come by and see us here at AceVacuums. We're your one-stop shop for all of everything you need. And don't forget, we also do central vac systems, so stop by and we can help you out with whatever central vacs you need. If you have any questions, give us a call, 703-997-9292. Thanks.